Question number 3. The length of a prayer hall is 5 meter, more than its width. If the area of one is 36 centimeters square, find the length and the width. They are saying that the length is 5 meter more than the width, and area is 36 meters square. So find the length and width. We don't know. So we will take first that length is equal to x. Sorry, width is equal to x, and length is 5 meter more than width. So width is x, so we will write x plus 5. This is length 5 meter more than width, and area is 36 meters square. Now according to the area formula, that length multiply width is equal to area. So we will put values in it. So length has value x plus 5 and width has x. So then we multiply this x with this bracket, so x square plus 5x minus 36, we shift 36 to this side, so minus 36 equals to 0. Then after factorization we need in multiplication 36 and in addition 5, so 9 fours are 36. So 9 fours are 36. Then x square, we will take common here in these two, x plus 9 here is minus 4x plus 9. Then we write x plus 9 common and x minus 4 is remaining. So we have value x is equal to minus 9, x is equal to 4. Now we will take the positive value. So we know that width is equal to x, so that will be just 4 because the value of x is 4. Length is x plus 5 because we have taken x plus 5. So 4 plus 5, we will put the value of this x 4 here, so this will become 9. So length is 4 and width is 4 and length is 9 meter. We have given the condition, the sum of two numbers is 11 and the sum of their square is 65. Find the numbers. So we will take that, let x and y be the numbers. So according to condition, the sum of the two numbers is 11. So x plus y is equal to 11. And then the sum of their square is 65. So x square plus y square is equal to 65. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. We will take this equation and make a value from it, just like x is equal to 11 minus y. This is equation 3. Now we have made the value of x from this equation, so we will put in equation 2 here. So we will write that in place of x, 11 minus y whole square plus y square is equal to 65. Now open this value, so a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2a and b and plus y square is equal to 65. So now then in next we have 11 square 121 plus y square minus 22y plus y square is equal to 65. So y square and y square, 2y square. So we will write in first form 2y square, then minus 22y, and then 121 and minus 65 is equal to 0. 2y square minus 22y, and subtracting these two, so we get plus 56 equals to 0. Taking 2 common, if we shift this 2 to this side, so this will become 0. So we will write y square minus 11y plus 28 equals to 0. Now we will factorize this equation. So we have y square minus 11y plus 28 equals to 0. So we will write y square, 7 fours are 28. So minus 7y minus 4y plus 28 equals to 0. Taking y common, so y minus 7. Then taking minus 4 common, so y minus 7 equals to 0. Y minus 7 and y minus 4 equals to 0. So y is equal to 7 and y is equal to 4. Now we have two values and both of them are positive. So we will put these two values in this equation, so we will get the value of x. So we will write, put values of x and y in equation, of y is equal to 7 and y is equal to 4 in equation 3. So we get x is equal to 11 minus y, x is equal to 11 minus y. So x is equal to 11 minus 7 and x is equal to 11 minus 4. So it will result 4 and it will result 7. So here we get 4, 7 again. So the numbers are 4 and 7. You take value of 4 from this and 7 from this. Because we put the value of y 7 here, so we get 4. So 4 and 7 are the numbers. Question number 5, the sum of the square of two numbers is 100. One number is 2 more than the other. Find the numbers. They are asking that the sum of square of two number is 100. So that is correct. Second is that one number is 2 more than the other. Second condition is that one number will be 2 more than the other. So find the number. We will take two numbers here. So let first number is equal to x. Second number we know that it is 2 more than the first, so x plus 2. We will take this. And we have another condition, that is x square plus x plus 2 whole square is equal to 100. Now I will solve this. So open the square of this equation. So x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 100. So then adding these 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 100 is equal to 0. So 2x square plus 4x minus 96 equals to 0. Now we can take 2 common. So x square plus 2x minus 48 equals to 0. If we shift this 2 to this side, so it will be 0, becomes 0. So we have only this equation, so we will write x square plus 2x minus 48 equals to 0. Now we will factorize it. So 8 6 are 48. So x square plus 8x minus 6x minus 48 equals to 0. Then we will take common x, so x plus 8 minus 6 x plus 8 equals to 0. So x plus 8 is common and x minus 6 is remained. So we have two values, x is equal to minus 8 and x is equal to 6. So we will use the positive value, x is equal to 6. And we have two numbers, this. So we will write in result first number is equal to x is equal to 6. Second number is equal to x plus 2 is equal to 6 plus 2, and that is equal to 8. Number 6, area of rectangular field is 252 meters square. If the length is 9 meters longer than its width, so find the length and the width. So first we will take the width. Let width is equal to x. So the length will be, it is 9 more than, so x plus 9, and area is given, that is 252 meters square. So we have given that length multiply width is equal to area. So length is x plus 9 and width is x and area is 252. So multiplying these two we get x square plus 9x, and we shift 252 to this side, so minus 252. So now in difference we need 9 and multiplication 252. So 21 12s are. So we will write x square plus 21x minus 12x minus 252 equals to 0. So taking x common, x plus 21, then taking minus 12 common, so x minus 21 equals to 0. So x plus 21 and x minus 12 equals to 0. So we have value x is equal to minus 21 and x is equal to 12. So we will again use the positive value here. So in result, length is equal to, what we have taken length x plus 9. So we will write 12 plus 9 is equal to 20. And width is equal to only x and that is 12. So this is the required answer.